Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to split a check. If you notice here, I've got a ticket open and it's using seat numbers. That'll be important here in a second. And if you don't know how to use seat handling, please go watch my other video on that. So once you go into the ticket and you're ready to split it, there's a split button right here. So we hit split and it gives us several options here. So the first option is create new. So what that'll do is it will create a second check. Once I hit that, you notice up here at the top, now I have all, and I have check 1 and check 2. Check 1 is going to have everything on it by default, and then 2 is going to be blank. Now if I also had a third ticket, then I could go to split and do new, and it would add on a third ticket. And I can keep doing this to add on check 4 and check 5, etc., etc. I'm going to go back to check 1, and I'm going to start selecting items here. So there is a way, if you press and hold on the item, on the first item, it will let you select multiple. So once you select them, then you choose split down here, and then you choose what ticket you want it to go to. You can choose whether you just want to move the whole thing to it, or if you want to do an even split, or if you want to go to advanced. We'll just go to check 2 for now. If I do taco here and do split, go to advanced, here's what the advanced looks like. You can do half or thirds or quarters. I'm just going to keep it simple and go to move 2. So then I would choose the other item and hit split and check 3. Now that way I can check on check 2 and check 3 and make sure everything goes over to them correctly. And then when you're ready to send this, or when you're ready to save this rather, then you just hit the send button or the print button, so it will actually print out your guest checks for it. Now if you need to undo all this, you go back to the split button here and you do remove all. And then it will put everything back under 1. Now the other options are by seat. This one is my favorite because it's the easiest. And if you're keeping things split up by seat number, this one works the best. So since we were already tracking everything by seat number, and we hit split and by seat, it automatically breaks everything out into 4 checks and splits everything for you, so it's all ready to go. Check 4, check 3, check 2, and check 1. Okay, so that's another way to split. I'm going to do remove all so we can go back to 1. And then the other way to split is, let's say each party said, hey, we want to split this into 4 checks, but let's just split it evenly. So then you would choose the 4x, and it would split all the items evenly as possible up into 4 checks. 2202, 2202, 2204 was the last one. Okay, and then again, once you're ready to print the checks, you just hit the print, so it'll get the guest checks for you, or you can send and save. But that's how you split the check. Then when you come back to pay for it, you just select which check you want. Like let's say check 1 gave you a card for payment, and you would just go into check 1, and then go to checkout, and you would just be checking out check 1. And then you would go to check 2 and check out for just check 2. And check 3, and you would just check out for check 3, etc. Alright, well that's all I have for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.